What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to mock up the logo into the product that you would like to sell for your customer. How to create that one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it into this Google AI Studio. And if you would like to try it, so don't forget to do the login first with your email, and after that you will have the access to try this Nano Banana for free. And this is the look of the home page, and after that you can click this try Nano Banana, and after that I will put the prompt to create the logo of the product first. For example, I would like to create the logo of the home appliances or the home fan, like that. And the concept will be that the fan is quite durable and also elegant at the same time. So I will give the name of the product will be the Dura fan. And this is the high-end fan company, for example. This is the detail, and also it has the lifespan, for example, more than 20 years. It's quite durable, guys. And the style will be modern, minimalist, and powerful. And you can put the elements into the logo, for example, the icon or the incorporate a saddle, and also abstract representation of a fan, for example, a blade or the air movement that also suggests stability and also the endurance. And for typography itself, I use the bold, clean and professional sans serif font. This is the font style, by the way, for the brand name of the Dura fan to emphasize the reliability. And the color palette, this is one of the important things, which is the view or the visual. I use the brush or polished metallic silver or steel color to signify high quality materials and durability. And the second thing for the color will be to incorporate a subtle hint of deep navy blue and or charcoal gray to add the sense of professionalism and technology. And the specific instruction for this AI will be like this. The final image should be a vector style logo, clean and scalable. And here will be focused on a 3D metallic rendering for the icon and or text to make it look solid and also well engineered. And this will be the example of rendering style. You can add it over here too. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for this Nano Banana mix everything, mix the information into the one cool logo, guys. So this will be the logo we have over here. The Durafan engineered to the less or to less. Isn't that cool, right? And after that, I would like to create the product. Because this is the logo, I would like to type over here, for example, this one. I want that this Nano Banana to create me the picture of a home fan that is on, and also the color will be the elegant black. And continue to click run. And while waiting for this Nano Banana generating the look of the home fan, I will start to download this picture or this logo first. And this will be the home fan that we have over here. And I will download it too. And after download this logo and picture, so the next thing will be mock up this logo into this product, or combine this photo or put this logo into this product. So I will start to upload two images. from my gallery over here, from this one, and also this one. And I will put it over here. Now mock up this Durafan logo into the elegant black home fan and place the logo into the fan hole, or you can also adjust it in the logo in the middle of the fan cover, like this. And also change the position of this home fan to be closer to the angle so that the logo can be seen clearly. And you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here, guys. Basically, you can use this Nano Banana to mix these two pictures into one, and this can be helpful for you if you would like to create the presentation image of your product. And after waiting for a while, so this picture has been generated, and we can zoom it, and this will be the Durafan. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. And if you would like to have the different look or the picture, you can also generate it and kindly wait for the different result again. Or you can also do the adjustment for this prompt to have the different angle of the look of your product or the photography of your product, and after that the picture will be ready to be presented to your customer. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Nano Banana to mock up your design product. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.